Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from dynamic programming, which is called subset sum problem. Okay, so in subset sum problem, you would be given one positive integer and then one target, okay, value. So now you need to tell us in Boolean format, true or false, whether that subset exists for that target sum. So for example, you have given one, let's say you have given one array 3, 34, 4, 12, 5 and 2, and target is given 9. So do you have a subset whose sum is 9? Yes, 4 comma 5, it's there, right? And then if you check another example, so for 2, 3, 5 and target is 7, yes, 2 comma 5, right? So you will return true. So this is what you need to do in this question, and the condition is that each element should be used once only, okay, and return true if the subset exists, otherwise return false. So let's check it's a tabular format, that how we can solve it in a tabular form, and we will create a recurrence relation expression. Okay, see, this is very simple. You have given elements 2, 3, 5, and we will check till target, means for 0, 1, 2, 3 till target, we will check whether subset exists or not. Okay, so for example 2, 3, 5 is your elements. Okay, so you will write it here and on x-axis, and then what is your target? 7. So I'll start from 0. 0 means empty. Okay, empty set. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to check whether I can form a subset with it or not. Okay, so see, if I have a element 2 with me and I need to form 0, can I form it? Yes, empty set, right? So this one will be true. Same, this one will be true for 3 and 5 as well, right? Now if you have given target 1, okay, can you form a subset with element 2? No, you cannot, because it is lesser, right? So this one will be false. Now if you have 2, can you form a subset of 2? Yes, true. Now you have 3, can you, and you have an element, the target is 3 and element is 2, can you form? No, because it is greater, right? So similarly for all, it will be greater, so this one will be false. Now let's check this one, 3. Okay, so now you have two elements, 2 comma 3. Okay, you have 2 comma 3, and someone will tell you, can you form 1 with it? So 1, actually, see, this is lesser, okay, than the, so we have 2 or 3, so, and 1 is lesser than 3. So in that case, whatever we have in the upper here, right, this place, upper row, the element, we will just write as it is. So the false, it is false, so we will come, so it will come false here. Okay, now can you form a true? Whatever we have, we will put that value here, because this one is, see, 2 is lesser than 3, so we cannot do anything with 3. Okay, this element cannot contribute anything, so whatever is contribution here is from this element only, and we have already calculated for this element, right? So that's why we are copying as it is. Now 3 came, so in this case, now what you will do, see, this is not lesser than my current element, which is 3, right? So here I will check, if I take this value 3, so it means my sum, see, my target is 3, and if I take this 3, okay, so my target will become 3 minus 3. What is remaining? 0. So I will check for 0, okay, for 0 sum from for this previous row, what is the answer? See, I will take 3 here, okay, then my remaining sum will be 0. So for 0, what was the answer? So means I will go 3 step back, right? 1, 2, 3, it was true, means I was able to form 0 as well, so this one will also become true. Whatever is here, it will come here. Okay, now again check next. Now your target is, what is your target? Your target is 4. You have to form 4, okay, and you have 2 comma 3. In subset you have a 2 comma 3. So if I take this 3, okay, so my remaining sum will be 1. So I need to check for 1 whether I will able to what I was able to do with this 2 for that 1, right? So I will go 3 step back, right? So here 1 from 4 to 3, 1, 2 and 3, it was false. So means 2 was not able to form 1. So even if I take this 3, the answer will be false only. Okay, so this one will be false. Same for this 5. If I take 3, so I'll go 3 step back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is true. So that's why I'm writing here true. Okay, same for 6. So 1, 2, 3. Answer is 4. False. Same for 7. 1, 2, 3. False. So false will come here. Okay. Now let's check for this 2 comma 3 comma 5. Now you have 3 elements. Okay. Now you have 3 elements, and let's check for each target. Okay. You have 2 comma 3 comma 5. So first of all, your this target values are lesser than 5. So in that case, whatever you have answer in the previous row, okay, previous calculation, you just write as it is. So it is false here, it is true here, it is true here, it is true here. Okay, now here we have a 5. So if I take this 5, so what will be my target remaining? 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, so I'll go 5 step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 0. For 0, what was the answer? The answer was true. We are just checking previous row, means this one. Okay, true. So here also true will come. Same for 6. So 6 minus 5, I'll go 5 step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it was false. So here false will come. Now here true will come. So the answer, you will check this last row and column. Okay, it is true, means you can form a subset of target 7. That's it. Okay, so if I need to write recurrence relationship for this, what I will write? See, for dp of ij, either I will take dp of I minus 1 comma j. I minus 1 comma j means this upper value. Either I will take this one. Okay, otherwise what I will do, dp of I minus 1 and j minus array of I. So I minus 1 means previous row. Okay, what I was doing, I was going whatever step I have here, array of I, right? This was your array of I. Whatever steps you were having, whatever element you were having, you were going that back, that step back. Okay, so for example, if you're here, right here, so you need to calculate for this. So array of I, what you were doing, first you were going to the previous row. Okay, so I minus 1, dp of I minus 1 means previous row. Okay, now what was the sale? So sale was your j minus array of I, right? So if your j is here and then you were moving backward with array of I steps, 1 2 3 4 5 here. So if that is, this is your j, so j minus array of I, so this cell will come I minus 1 and then this cell will come, right? So that's why this is the recurrence relationship. Now let's check its code. Okay, very simple code. First, what you will do, what is given to you, it is array and target. Okay, then you will check its length and you will create one 2D array of dp, okay, of size n and target plus 1. Why target plus 1? Because we are starting from 0, that's why. Initially everything will be I comma 0 will be true, means this row, this first row, this one will be true for all, correct? Because you can form an empty set. After that you will run 2 for loop. Okay, I equal to 1 to I is less than n. Why? For this one, 1 2 3, so array size is 3, so 1 2 and 3 rows. And column, how many columns? Till target, right? So I equal to 1, I is less than n, this is for rows, and sum equal to 1 to sum is less than equal to target, this is for target. Okay, then you are having two conditions, not take and take. Okay, initially your take will be false and not take will be, if you are not taking that element, if you are not taking this 5, what we were doing, we were just taking whatever it has the value of its previous row, that one as it is we were copying it, right? So if you are not taking, then definitely you will copy value from I minus 1 and sum, correct? And otherwise the take will be false, and then you will check if array of I is less than equal to sum. See, if you remember that here it was 5. Okay, so till 4 what we were doing, we were just taking whatever value we have here in the previous row, because from 5 only we were able to check, because the element is itself, it should be at least the target should be equal to the current element, right? So what we were previously, what we were doing before that, we were just copying the value whatever we have in the earlier row. So that is what we are doing. If array I is less than equal to sum, okay, then if array of I is less than equal to sum, so your sum was, yeah, so for example, you're here after this. Okay, your sum was 6 here, your sum was 7 here, correct? We are not talking about this one. This one, though, you were taking as it is, whatever value you have, means this one. Okay, we'll check that. And then after this what you were doing, you were just what you were doing, dp of I minus 1 and sum minus array I explained you how, right? So take will become this in this particular case. Otherwise what will be the dp I comma sum? It will be either take or not take, whatever is true, right? So take was initially true, and then you will change its value. So not take will always be remain same, whatever is the previous value. Otherwise take will change according to its whether it is sum is lesser than array of I or greater than array of I. Okay, and then at the end you will just return this dp of n minus 1, target means last cell, last column. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.